What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with some more bullish content for you guys. Tonic fam, I know you guys see it constantly, time and time again, throughout the whole bear market, from the time I started to cover the project to now. The team of Tonic is consistently putting in that work. They have never stopped crushing it. They're consistently at it, just time and time again, just giving us updates, delivering, developing the protocol, making it better and better for all of us as investors. And I gotta say, that is bullish. You know how many altcoins I've seen that just stop tweeting, don't, you know, pretty much faded into like obscurity at this point, right? The Twitter's inactive. What's the team doing? The Telegram is empty. Nothing really going on for the project. No development whatsoever. It's absolutely atrocious, man. So when it comes to people, when it comes to Tonic and people that are talking down on the project, funding the project, because they don't see, you know, price go up forever, or they're not seeing crazy pumps. And it, you know, it's just a bunch of sideways for the project and a bunch of sideways price action. They're upset about that. That's the only thing they could be upset about. Overall, we got an active team, we got an active community, we got the team that keeps developing, we got things that keep happening for the project. You know, there's consistent updates, partnerships that are being done for the project. So much is being done for Tonic. So, you know, the fudders and the naysayers, they just want price to go up. That's it. That's the only reason they could FUD. But guess what? You can't get it right away, man. This is not how crypto works. You gotta be patient. This is why it's called investing. Warren Buffett didn't wake up and become a billionaire, you know, as soon as he purchased his first shares of stock. It took time. It took years for him to get there, right? So that's just how it is, man. That's just what you have to realize. If you got your bag packed or you've been accumulating, now is the best time to do it. You just pack your bags and then wait until the bull cycle, and wait until the project develops, wait until crypto.com and Crow develops. You guys saw the shout that crypto.com or the Chronos chain did for Tonic recently, where they highlighted Tonic. That's why I said, as the Crow and crypto.com ecosystem grows, so will Tonic, guys. So this is like, you know, piggybacking off of us another project success, because, you know, for example, with Ethereum, Binance and stuff like that, there's the main project on the main blockchain project, and then there's altcoins that, you know, follows the trend of the main blockchain project. And again, Tonic being the top money market, market maker, whatever you want to call it, for Crow, with the top TVL as also, you know, there's a lot of shine that will come to Tonic eventually. You know, I think it's gonna happen after, like, we get even some low tier exchange listings, or crypto.com and Crow starts to grow, right? That's when we're gonna see more you know, that's when we're gonna see more of a positive price action for Tonic. For right now, this is where you DCA, add to your stack, you add to your bag, you diamond hand, and then just wait until, you know, the time comes where every altcoin is exploding, Bitcoin dominance is dropping, and then you start to take profits, guys. It takes time though, right? This is why they say buy and forget. You know, when you should be, after you've bought all your bags, you got your full conviction altcoins right now set up, you already got it done. Come back to crypto when you hear, you know, Jimmy from down the street talking about crypto. When Jimmy from down the street is talking about crypto, you come back to crypto to sell on Jimmy's head. Okay? That's how it should be, right? You're selling your coins to Jimmy now. Jimmy's gonna be your alarm system. You buy your great altcoins, you forget them. You buy your Tonic bags, you got them accumulated, you got your bags packed, you forget them until until one day Jimmy from down the street, yo, you heard about crypto? Everything is going up in crypto. What's going on? I thought crypto was over. You go back home, or you pull up your phone and then you start selling. Okay, that is my crypto strategy. That is my Tonic strategy. But yeah, As always, guys, not a financial advisor. Tonic fan, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get into it, man. $28 million in market cap for Tonic, 33K in 24-hour trade volume. Again, just holding that 30 mil range, you know, holding that range right here. You know, I'm not sure how low we'll retrace, but it's holding that 28 to 30 mil market cap range for a minute. So I think it's gonna hold on to that. Ray Whitaker, Tonic blast off, bottom is in. Anthea. This Tonic is a lending platform for shorts. The more you lend, the lower the price drops. Buy those dips in October. Pull your tokens out of supply and hold. It will force a short squeeze like GameStop. Nice. Okay. Buy your bags now. Peter Pranker. I think it's the dip. You see, there's still active engagement in the Tonic community. Growth is still consistently happening. Right here. Welcome to the DeFi pool, the ultimate gateway to a curated world of assets. These assets are best for maximum composability and liquidity. Start lending and borrowing now with all of these different projects through the Tectonic app. DeFi pool is now live, right? This was earlier today in the morning, man. You guys see, in my time, they posting these updates at 4:54 a.m. before I even get to you know, get time to make my videos for the day. They up early, man. Isolated pools, launch of the DeFi pool, and we got a Medium article breaking it all down. Background on our partners, different strategies for the DeFi pool: earn passive yield, be a yield farmer, be a leverage yield farmer, seek arbitrage opportunities. And you can earn passive yield, be a yield farmer. They break it all down for you guys. Nice stuff. Very nice stuff, man. Absolutely great. Yep, the DeFi pool announcement. XRP listing was released. Collateral swapping. Collateral swap. They also got Atom and L Atom pools to the Vino pool. The partnerships keep happening. A ton of things keep happening for Tonic and the ecosystem, guys. Shout out to Crypto Mason. Buying Tonic, etc., staking them in vaults are great ways to create your own bank on crypto.com DeFi wallet. That's what I've been preaching, man. When all the banks were collapsing, that's what I've been preaching. It's where you can take control of your own money with DeFi through Tonic. From Charter, few. Okay, so we got what? We got a retrace. It had 3 touches on the retrace. We got one more little retrace back down until we start the uptrend for Tonic following this yellow line. Guys, I'm saying you just never know, because Tonic's moves are always explosive, then they happen randomly, right? I never expected that 200 to 300%. What was it? 200%? Yeah, it was a 200% move. I never expected that, and it just happened out of nowhere, right? Tonic moves fast when it's ready to move, so that could happen again. Agent 00, I wonder if Tonic will boost collateral factor for Tonic the same way they did for Crow. Could potentially happen, man. Could potentially happen. Shout out to Agent 00. Shout out to Charter. This is my other account. I got like a account that I chill on. So don't mind me. Got that sauce. Imagine telling your friends in 2025 that you've been holding Tonic since 2023. Got the sauce with the long-term mindset, right? It's exactly how you gotta play it, man. You just buy, get your bags accumulated. You're satisfied with your bags. You don't want to overinvest, but you got a good amount to get some nice gains, potentially financial freedom going into the next year or two. And you just wait, sit on your bags. The most difficult part right now for crypto is people just holding spot. That would be the most difficult thing for crypto right now for most investors. Now is when you just, as long as you've accumulated enough, you're happy with your bags, now you just gotta wait. That's really it. That's really it. I know waiting is gonna be painful and boring, but just go about your life and just be patient, man. Hey, cryptos, the partnership that Tonic recently made, 554% APY in the past 3 days. That's from our Crow Vault. Tonic rewards from Tectonic Fi are being unlocked every few days into our Crow single token vault. Stake your Crow in our vault now, so you'll be able to receive these goodies. Look at that, man. the DeFi partnerships, the DeFi explosion, the DeFi Power Rangers. Remember I showed y'all that image with the DeFi Power Rangers with Tonic, guys? I wonder if it's still here, man. Or maybe it was on Vino. But there was an image with like the DeFi Power Rangers, man. But yeah, Tonic absolutely crushing it when it comes to what it's built for, right? Shango this year is about taking small steps in the right direction. We want Tectonic to be #1 money market in DeFi. More uses, more use cases, more strategies, more friendly for the next billion crypto users. And that's simply it, man. Shout out to Shango, always putting in the great tweets, the great knowledge and info, you know. Again, guys, like I say it time and time again. After you've accumulated your bags for Tonic, like, just be patient now. Even if it retraces, just wait, man. Just wait. Eventually, alt season will come. The bull market will come around. It could be months later, could be a year later, could be 2 years later. Just keep yourself busy until then. If you're happy with your Tonic bags, maybe diversify into other Crow projects or other altcoins. You got your Tonic bag set, diversify into other projects, and just be patient and wait for the bull cycle, man. That's all it is now, really. So yeah, I expect Tonic to start turning around soon enough. You just never know. Things could turn around. Things turn around fast in crypto. Things happen very fast. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Patreon for all the exclusive info, right? You want to make more gains? Join the Patreon. Link is in the description. Thank y'all so much for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next one.